Hello, crypto world. It is Tuesday evening in the United States and in Asia now. It's the day before New Year's. Now, the equity market in the U.S. was relatively quiet on light volume, down slightly, but we had interesting and important news. The Federal Reserve released the minutes from their last meeting where they cut, and the minutes show that it was far from a foregone conclusion that they would cut rates, and there's serious debate about when and whether they're going to be cutting rates in the future. However, we know that there's going to be a new chairman of the Federal Reserve, going to be appointed by Trump, so that can influence it. But please remember, a chairman is still, though he's powerful, one vote, and he has to convince the other voting parties that they want to cut rates. At any rate, the consequence of the release of these minutes, even on this pre-holiday light trading day, caused interest rates to go up, not radically, but they inched up, and the dollar went up. Not radically, but it did go up, and you can see as soon as the minutes were released, it sort of inched up. Now let's jump right over to crypto. While crypto is green, it really isn't doing very much. It isn't selling off, which when we have the dollar spike up and the interest rates, even though it was a little bit going up, it's kind of a relief. And the bottom line right now is between now and the end of the year, which is really basically less than 48 hours, I don't see anything dramatic happening either way in crypto, but I like the fact that it's treading, if you will, water in Greenland. And really, right now, crypto's not getting much attention. What's getting the most attention, particularly despite the light trading day, it's gold and silver. It continues. Gold is up, but silver's up 8%. Remarkable. Now, do I think that's going to continue? It's just my opinion. Do I think this is going to continue in 2026? Yes, in the beginning of the year. But I expect that we will have a back down and a little, I'm going to call it correction in these, and I don't see all these crazy numbers people giving for gold and silver in 2026. I don't see gold. Yes, gold can go to 5,000. It can't go to 10,000. Silver, yes, silver can go up to $80, $90. It's not going to $150 in 2026, but it can have a rather dramatic up move, as we can see, despite rising rates and increase in the dollar.